Describing Google. Carlos Hernández. My cousin Carlos is 20 years old and he lives in Ptolemaida. He is not very tall with short curly hair and a stocky build. He also has brown eyes. He usually wears sports clothes and has beard hair regarding his personality. He is very sociable and friendly. He is often in a good mood with a lot of things. He has grouping with his sister and they and painting. He likes to have his thing with other people, but sometimes he hurts a bit. Bossy and tricks her his wife. He is very crafty and lives to work with electricity. He also practices some sport, mainly biking. There is my advice. My friend's name is she lives in Medellin and with her wives got along pretty well. He is learned and has long black hair and black ears. She likes to dance, sing, read and travel. She is tracks going often back temperate but when you have to count her better you think on her. She is also very kind, honest, affectionate, and very reality. Dianis Martinez, because Indianis live in Canada. She is someone has here her along very well with. She started slim, her short, high hand brown eyes. She is very fun and lives to pet horse. She is very outing and lives to watch movies and track. She also don't live leaks and cakes used when someone links to her. Ingrid Perez. Ingrid is a psychologist and lives in Canada. She is young, extrovert, and very professional. She has an 8 years old daughter. She is very hard working, smart, neat, and well organized. She is also very loving and wears wings to her other people. She has brown ears and black hair. She is chubby.